If engines could be superheroes, the Cat 3406E would wear the cape. But why is this legendary powerhouse still the top choice for serious truckers and rebuilders across America, even decades after it first roared to life? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the 3406E isn't just an engine. It's a legacy, and trust me, you're going to want to hear the story. The origin of a legend. Let's rewind the clock to the mid-90s. Grunge was on the radio, gas was $1 a gallon, and Caterpillar dropped the 3406E, an engine that would change the heavy-duty world forever. Introduced in 1993, this beast was Caterpillar's first fully electronic engine, a game-changer in an era still addicted to mechanical simplicity. Yes, kids, there was a time when the internet sounded like this, and trucks sounded like pure muscle. Different times, right? But it wasn't just nostalgia that made the 3406E legendary. It was designed for brute force and long-haul resilience. With up to 600 horsepower and mind-bending torque, the 3406E wasn't just about power. It was about staying power. But while it roared on the highways, something sneaky was brewing under the hood. We'll get there. But first, let's talk about why even today, this engine's reputation is almost mythical. Why the Cat 3406E still dominates. There's a reason the 3406E isn't just sitting in museums. It's still working, hauling, racing, winning. First, the build quality. Caterpillar engineers overbuilt the 3406E like they expected it to pull a freight train through a brick wall, and somehow win. The forged steel crankshaft, durable cylinder heads, robust block castings, every component screamed, forever. This isn't throwaway tech. It's what you want when breaking down just isn't an option. Second, the tunability. The 3406E's ECM, electronic control module, opened the doors to custom tuning. Want more torque, more horsepower, better fuel economy? It's like ordering a steak, exactly how you want it. And that's why owner-operators love this engine. It adapts, it evolves, it works for you, not the other way around. But hey, it wasn't all roses. Some cracks in the armor did appear, and knowing them could save you thousands. The dark side, and why it matters today. Here's the cold truth. Even legends have flaws. The biggest enemy of the 3406E? HEUI injectors. Hydraulic electronic unit injectors. Brilliant in theory, but a real pain in the wallet when they start failing. Leaky injectors could dump fuel where it didn't belong, leading to costly repairs, and if ignored, catastrophic engine failure. Another issue? Overheating. Early models had cooling systems that sometimes struggled in extreme conditions. If you push the engine hard without watching temps, you could be cooking more than just dinner. Congratulations, your engine is now well done. Not ideal when you're hauling 80,000 pounds over the Rockies. But here's the twist. Every one of these problems is fixable, and many of the 3406 ES still rolling today have been upgraded, tuned, and bulletproofed. So you might be wondering, should you still invest in a 3406E today? And is it worth rebuilding one over buying newer tech? Conclusion. Why the 3406E still rules, and what you must know. Here's the deal. If you want an engine that's easy to repair, endlessly tunable, and built like a tank, the 3406E is still one of the best investments you can make. Voiceover. Yes, emissions laws pushed Caterpillar out of the road engine game, but for those who know, and now you're one of them, the 3406E remains a symbol of pure American muscle and mechanical genius. Want a tip from the pros? If you find a clean 3406E, especially a late 5EK or 6TS model, don't think twice. Grab it. Because engines like this aren't just built anymore. Hit that like button if you learned something today. And if you want to dive deeper into rebuild tips, tuning secrets, and maintenance hacks for these mechanical monsters, make sure to subscribe. Your next big haul could depend on it. Subscribe for more. Next video, how to spot a great 3406E before you buy.